Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Jen here. If this is your first time here, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me. If you are already a subscriber, hey girl, hey, thanks so much for the support. So today we are doing a DIY. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these barn doors, these faux barn doors from all Dollar Tree products. As you can see, I am starting with these love signs that were at the Dollar Tree. They had like the indentation, so it really mimics wood when you have them, and you just want to pry off the galvanized hearts. It is such a awesome thing that you can use to upcycle, so just pry those off. It looks a little difficult, but really it wasn't that hard to do that. I'm starting off with 2 of those for each door, and I'm making 2 doors. So next you're going to want to go ahead and attach those doors together. So I thought the best way to do it would be to put some popsicle sticks, the larger ones, and glue them with some hot glue onto the backing, just so I didn't have to worry about glue oozing through the sides by just trying to have them on the sides together, I guess, if that makes any sense. I glued them using the back. As you can see, these 2 were already used for a different project I had in my house, but you don't have to paint them first. You can choose at the end what kind of paint you want. So I'm using some sticks that I cut down. I'll insert a little video here of like some yard sticks that the Dollar Tree had. I think they might have been from Halloween or something like that, but they have them for every holiday. They'll always have them there. And I had my husband cut those down to the size of the board. And I'm just using some wood glue that I got at the Dollar Tree there. The hot glue just didn't work very well. I don't know why, but it did not. So we are trying this. And again, with wood glue, you always want to try to get it off as quick as possible. So after that dried, your girl just did not know what she wanted to do when it came to the color of it. So I started with a base of white, and all of this is the Waverly chalk paint that you can get from Walmart. Y'all, I honestly did not know what color I wanted to paint these. I'm really just starting with white because I really didn't know. I don't know where I'm going to put them. I don't know if you know already, but we are moving to California, and so we're staying in a hotel, and I just didn't know what wall or what color my walls are going to be in California and things like that. So I was like, let me just start off with white. And then, as you can see, I started doing some gray. Y'all, I don't know. Please, in the comments, leave some suggestions down at the bottom in the comments to tell me what color you would have done. I started to like the gray. And I just wanted to show you here how well the paint does cover up the red. I think I had to do 2, maybe 3 coats. And it covers up everything pretty well. So back to choosing a color. Even on the finished process that I did, guys, I really am still open to changing the colors. I probably will have to change the colors anyway, but I wanted to get this DIY out to you guys. I feel like I've been letting my DIY people down. I haven't been sharing anything with you guys. And it's quarantine time, so we got some time. You know what I'm saying? So here, this is kind of what I came up with. I don't know. I'm really not in love with the color, but I am in love with the way that the barn doors came out. So then my friend said to add some green in there. Y'all, your girl's all over the place. I don't know, but I wanted to show y'all this super simple, super quick DIY. So now I'm sealing it with some matte Mod Podge that I got at the Dollar Tree. Y'all, I know I'm going to still add some accessories to this. I'm thinking about some knobs that I can use from the dollar store. Even something to make it look like there are the rails on there, the rail rollers. Trying to figure out what I can do with that with the Dollar Tree. But these are the finished products. There will definitely be a second video to this, so I'm gonna put part 1, and then I'm gonna really look at y'all's comments. So leave me some comments, please, down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this. See you next time. Bye.